Look at this. Look at this. This is where White Castle was. So they're not going to replace it as another restaurant. It's going to become a bigger area for the casino. Okay. I guess that's good. Okay, got a some more pop-up, $3. Rich Asians. Okay. Makes sense.
It don't hurt, it's just I got grease on the inside.
That's the little registration desk. Nobody's playing the $2 shoot to win craps. Not one person. How about that? Usually you have to fight to get a seat here. It just kind of comes and goes, doesn't it? $2. Yep, still $2. This is the lowest limit on shoot to win craps on the whole strip, except for Resorts World. Resorts World is $1. But it's, not in this area, and location.
I didn't do the same thing with that.
Okay, okay. Look at this. Look at this. This is where White Castle was. So they're not going to replace it as another restaurant. It's going to become a bigger area for the casino. Okay. I guess that's good. Okay, got a some more pop-up, $3. Rich Asians. Okay. Makes sense. $3 premium beer right there. Bottle beer. $3. Well, no, the mixed drinks are about $5, so I don't. That's not their specialty. $3 bottle beer right there. Wow. This is just. It's baffling to see this. Because look, Denny's is right through that door now. Right, those slot machines are right where the soda machine was for White Castle. Jeez, all that equipment is gone. All those hamburgers are gone. Wow, look at this. Incredible. That was a big investment of White Castle. The kitchen equipment, brand new kitchen equipment they put in here. And whenever you sell it, if you do have to sell it, yeah, you might as well just throw it in the garbage. Ah, yeah, this is going to be pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's going to look good. It's going to look a lot better than it did with White Castle, but I don't know if losing White Castle is something you want it to do. I think it was bringing people in here. There's Whitney. That's a very pretty lady. $1 roulette right there. I like that machine. $1 right here. $1 roulette. $1. This NFL slot machine, when it first came out, you had to stand in line to play it. Same with Frankenstein, and now you can play either one of them anytime you want. Okay, $11.99 for a personal pan pizza. No, hand toss pizza. That's in between the thin and the pan. $11.49 for a meat lover. $11.99 for the Supreme. That Supreme is a really good pizza, and you can share that. That'll feed 2 people. If you're hungry as hell, you're going to eat that by yourself. But if you're just trying to get a base and you want to keep drinking, keep gambling, you need to share it. If you can't find anyone to share it with, call me. I'm in the book. Ooh, the hot dog place has sliders now for $3.99. Smashed beef, chicken, and chili. I don't think I want chili on a bun. That would be weird. Corn dog, $3.79. Chicago dog, $7.29. Did they do away with a lot of the other stuff? It looks like maybe they did. I think they got rid of some of their tenders. No, they still have them. Chicken tenders, $6.49. Mozzarella sticks, $6.49. Nachos with cheese, $4.99. That's probably like the movie theaters nachos. 2 slider combo, $11.99. I wonder how good those sliders are. They look good. Okay, here's something that's going to be incredible. Absolutely incredible that no one's thinking about. And it's going to make these rooms at Casino Royale, they're going to jack up the price just because they're right across the street from that. Can you imagine when that thing is done? It's lit up and you're sitting at the pool and you're going to be looking at that guitar? Yeah. You're going to pay $10 more for your room because of it. So you better enjoy it. All right, let's look at the pool.
To earn player payback rewards, you need to have a rewards card. If you don't have a card, our slot personnel can get you one right away. You don't even need to leave your seat. Payback rewards for carded slot play are all about second chances.